Today's video is all about a battle of futuristic luxury motorhomes that will leave you amazed. We are bringing you an exclusive comparison between two extraordinary creations, the 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome and the 2026 McLaren Motorhome. Both represent the pinnacle of design, performance, and innovation, but each carries its own unique identity. From Lamborghini's bold, aggressive styling to McLaren's sleek, aerodynamic elegance, these motorhomes redefine what it means to travel in ultimate comfort. Get ready to witness a side-by-side showcase of power and luxury. Welcome to this luxurious motorhomes YouTube channel. Let's start the video and first show you the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. This extraordinary creation is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of futuristic luxury and performance. Designed with Lamborghini's iconic DNA, the exterior immediately captures attention with its aerodynamic lines, glossy metallic finish, and illuminated rims that glow like jewels on the road. The Lamborghini logo is proudly displayed, reminding everyone that this is not just a motorhome, but a Lamborghini masterpiece. Advanced LED lighting traces the edges of the body, creating a cinematic aura that makes the motorhome look alive, even when standing still. Against the backdrop of scenic mountain landscapes, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome dominates the environment with elegance and power. Asterisk, moving inside, the first impression is the luxurious TV lounge area. Premium leather seating welcomes you with comfort and sophistication, while ambient LED lighting sets the perfect mood. Carbon fiber and polished wood accents add futuristic warmth to the space. The centerpiece is a massive flat-screen TV mounted on the wall, glowing with the Lamborghini logo and text. This lounge is more than a place to relax. It is a cinematic experience on wheels, a space where entertainment and branding merge seamlessly. Every detail reflects Lamborghini's commitment to innovation and luxury. From the lounge, we step into the bedroom, and here the motorhome truly redefines what it means to travel in style. A king-size bed with a premium leather headboard dominates the room, surrounded by soft ambient lighting that creates a romantic atmosphere. Panoramic windows allow you to wake up to breathtaking views of nature, turning every morning into a dream. The finishes blend carbon fiber, polished wood, and futuristic design elements, making the bedroom feel like a luxury suite. Imagine lying here under the stars, whispering to yourself, "This is not just travel, this is living the dream." That is the emotion this bedroom evokes. Next, the open kitchen showcases Lamborghini's vision of functionality and elegance. Marble countertops gleam under the lights. Stainless steel appliances stand ready for gourmet cooking, and futuristic cabinetry ties the design together. Ambient LED strips highlight every detail, while carbon fiber and polished wood accents remind you of Lamborghini's signature style. Even here, a flat-screen panel displays the Lamborghini logo and text, ensuring that branding and luxury are present in every corner. This kitchen is not just practical, it is a statement of innovation and sophistication. The compact mini toilet continues the theme of luxury in every detail. Despite its size, it is fully equipped with a premium ceramic toilet, a sleek modern sink with polished fixtures, an illuminated mirror, a glass shower cabin, and built-in storage compartments. Surfaces are finished with marble, carbon fiber, and polished metal, while ambient LED lighting creates a futuristic glow. The Lamborghini logo and text are subtly displayed on the mirror panel, ensuring that even the smallest space carries the brand's DNA. It is compact, practical, and undeniably luxurious. From there, we move into the driver's cockpit, where Lamborghini's racing heritage shines. Premium leather racing-style seats with Lamborghini stitching provide comfort and control. The carbon fiber dashboard and futuristic steering wheel showcase advanced technology. The panoramic windshield opens to a stunning view of winding mountain roads, making every drive an adventure. In the center console, a sleek LED display for the back camera proudly shows the Lamborghini logo and text, blending functionality with branding in the most stylish way possible. This cockpit is not just about driving, it is about commanding the road with prestige and confidence. Returning to the exterior, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome gleams with its shiny metallic finish. Standing tall against the backdrop of mountains and pine trees, It is not just parked, it is making a statement. Built by Lamborghini, a brand synonymous with speed, luxury, and innovation, this motorhome carries the same DNA as their legendary supercars. With a top speed that surpasses expectations and a price tag that reflects exclusivity, this motorhome is designed for those who demand nothing but the best. It is futuristic, luxurious, and destined to become a symbol of ultimate travel. And as we close this showcase, one thing is clear. In 2027, the demand for this motorhome will be immense, even though it has not yet been released to the market. The world is advancing rapidly, and the desire for such futuristic luxury will only grow. This motorhome will not be for everyone. It will be reserved for the wealthiest individuals, those who live at the very top of society. Icons like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Bill Gates will be among the few who can own such a masterpiece. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is the future of luxury travel, and its demand will soar in the years to come. Already seen the Lamborghini Motorhome, but now it's time to meet a beast of a different breed, a rolling palace that blends supercar DNA with pure luxury living. This is the 2026 McLaren Motorhome, a futuristic masterpiece that looks like it belongs on the streets of London as much as it does cruising down the highways of America. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's designed to make heads turn wherever it goes. Asterisk from the outside. The McLaren Motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. The double-decker design immediately sets it apart, giving it the stature of a private jet on wheels. Its aerodynamic curves, glossy black and orange finish, and oversized futuristic wheels scream performance and elegance. The wide, curved windshield with integrated LED lighting makes the front look commanding, while the illuminated McLaren logo along the sides reminds you that this isn't just any motorhome, it's a McLaren. Imagine pulling up in this on the streets of Manchester or Birmingham. People would stop in their tracks just to take a closer look. Asterisk step inside, and the luxury only intensifies. The first thing you encounter is the TV lounge, a space that feels like a private cinema. Plush leather sofas with red stitching, a massive LED screen, and ambient lighting create the perfect environment for entertainment. Whether you're watching a Premier League match or streaming your favorite Netflix series, this lounge delivers comfort and style that rivals any five-star hotel. McLaren has designed it to be cozy yet futuristic, making it the ultimate hangout spot for family and friends. Moving deeper into the interior, the bedroom is nothing short of a sanctuary. A king-size bed with a premium leather headboard dominates the space, while soft LED ceiling lights and polished wooden panels add warmth and sophistication. Chrome accents and high-gloss finishes elevate the design, and the McLaren logo is subtly integrated into the decor. It feels like a luxury suite you'd find in Mayfair, only this one moves with you wherever you go. It's private, elegant, and built for ultimate relaxation. Next comes the open kitchen, compact yet fully functional. Marble countertops, chrome-finished cabinets, and modern LED lighting give it a sleek, high-end look. Shelves are neatly stocked with utensils, dishes, and glassware, while a stylish dining table with chairs is set for a fine dining experience on the move. The refrigerator proudly displays the McLaren logo, reminding you that even the smallest details are infused with brand luxury. Imagine preparing a full English breakfast here while parked along the Cornish coast. Its practicality and elegance rolled into one. Even the toilet is a statement of luxury. Marble walls, chrome accents, and ambient lighting make it feel like a high-end hotel bathroom. The modern toilet, vanity sink, and mirror are all designed with style and sophistication in mind. And yes, the McLaren logo is there too, giving this compact space a branded, premium touch. It's proof that no corner of this motorhome has been overlooked. Then comes the driver's cockpit, where McLaren's supercar heritage truly shines. The futuristic dashboard, digital displays, leather steering wheel, and chrome accents make it feel like you're sitting in a sports car rather than a motorhome. The McLaren logo is prominently displayed on the steering wheel and dashboard screen, reinforcing the brand's identity. Through the panoramic windshield, picture yourself cruising down the streets of London at night, with the city lights reflecting off the sleek bodywork. Driving this motorhome isn't just transportation, it's an experience that blends adrenaline with luxury. After exploring the interior, let's circle back to the exterior once more. From the outside, the McLaren Motorhome looks like a private jet on wheels. It's bold, futuristic, and instantly recognizable. But beyond its looks, it's also packed with performance. The McLaren Motorhome comes with a top speed of around 120 miles per hour, which is impressive for a vehicle of this size. Its fuel efficiency averages between 10 to 12 miles per gallon, making it surprisingly efficient. And of course, with a price tag ranging from $3 to $4 million, it's reserved for those who demand nothing but the best. Built by McLaren, a brand synonymous with performance and prestige. This motorhome is already attracting attention from celebrities. Hollywood star Leonardo DiCaprio is rumored to be interested in owning one, which makes perfect sense given his taste for luxury and sustainability. Asterisk, the McLaren Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. It combines the thrill of a supercar with the comfort of a five-star hotel, all wrapped in a futuristic design that makes it stand out anywhere in the world. And while its appeal is global, demand in Britain is rising rapidly. By 2027, British buyers are expected to embrace this motorhome at scale, with sales and ownership growing quickly across the UK. From London to Edinburgh, the McLaren Motorhome is poised to become a symbol of prestige and modern luxury living. This is the 2026 McLaren Motorhome, a beast on wheels, a palace in motion, and a glimpse into the future of luxury travel. In today's video, we've shown you two absolute beasts of motorhome. Now it's your turn to decide which one is truly the best, and which motorhome are you buying for your girlfriend in 2026. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more epic luxury motorhome content.